Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today is Thursday and the date is 28th of January 2021. This is your mathematics class and I'm your maths teacher, Miss Samara. My dear students, our today's lesson is based on area and perimeter. As we have finished our previous topic, decimals, so today we are going to start a new topic, that is area and perimeter. So let's learn about the perimeter first. The perimeter is the boundary of a closed shape, or you can say the perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside of shape. There are some strategies that we can use to find the perimeter. In the first one, we have to add up all the sides. Here you can see that we have given a rectangle whose length is 5 centimeter and width is 2 centimeter. Actually, my dear students, when we find out the area and perimeter, we need only two things, that are length and width or breadth for the rectangle. So here the length is 5 centimeter and the width is 2 centimeter. According to the first strategy, we know that the perimeter is the boundary of a closed shape. So we can add all these sides and we can find out the perimeter. In the second strategy, we have to double, because in the rectangle we have four sides and the length and width of the two adjacent sides is always equal. So here we have two lengths and two widths. So if we multiply length by 2 and also we multiply width by 2 and then we add both of them, we can get the perimeter. In the third strategy, just we can add two adjacent sides and we can double them. We can use length and width as, we can take 2 common because we are going to double it, and we can add length and width. After adding length and width, we can just double or we can multiply it by 2 to get the perimeter. The measurement unit for the perimeter is always centimeter. Now let's learn about the area. Area is the amount of space inside a flat shape, or the amount of surface a shape covers is called area. The difference between area and perimeter is, the perimeter is the distance around the shape or figure, means outside of the shape, but the area always covers the surface that is inside the shape. We have some steps that we can use to find the area of the rectangle. In the first step, we can multiply two adjacent sides, length and width. We know that for the rectangle, we have length and width and both adjacent sides are equal to each other. So to find out the area, we can just multiply length and width. In this rectangle, we have 8 centimeter as length and we have 5 centimeter as width. So if we multiply both of these, we can get as 40 centimeter square. In the second step, we have to put the unit of measurement squared. Keep it in your mind that the measurement unit for the perimeter is always centimeter and the measurement unit for the area is always squared centimeter. Let's practice some examples about the perimeter of the rectangle. Here you can see we have a rectangle whose length is 9 centimeter and width is 5 centimeter. And you can see that two adjacent sides are equal. To find out the perimeter of the rectangle, we have length as 7 centimeter and we have breadth as 3 centimeter. And its opposite sides, length and width, is always equal. If one length is 7 centimeter, the other side's length is also 7 centimeter. To find out the perimeter of a rectangle, as we have learned before, we can use three types of formulas, but the most easiest formula is 2 multiply length plus breadth. My dear students, breadth and width both are the same things. We can add length and breadth and we can double it, or you can say that we can multiply it by 2. Here length is 7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. When we add, it will be 10 centimeter. And when we double or we will multiply it by 2, we can get as 20 centimeter. Don't forget to put the measurement unit of the perimeter, that is centimeter. Here is one more example to find out the perimeter. We have 5 centimeter as length and 4 centimeter as breadth. To find out the perimeter, we can use the formula 2 multiply length plus breadth. So we have to add length and breadth, that is 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. After adding, we get 9 centimeter and we have to multiply it by 2 and we can get as 18 centimeter. Now let's learn about the area of the rectangle. Here we have a rectangle whose length is 7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. We know that we can find out the area by multiplying length and breadth. So here we use the formula as area is equals to length multiplied by breadth. We have length as 7 centimeter and breadth as 3 centimeter. So after multiplying, it is 21 squared centimeter. Because the measurement unit for area is always squared centimeter, because we are multiplying two things, 2 centimeters. Here we have one more example. We have a rectangle whose length is 9 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. To find out the area, we have to multiply length and breadth. 9 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter. It will be equals to 45 squared centimeter. My dear students, I hope you understood about the calculation of area and perimeter. Now let's practice one more example. We have given a carpet. It's in form of a rectangle. Its length is 7 centimeter and width is 3 centimeter. To find out the perimeter, we have to use the formula 2 into length plus width. We have to add length and width and we have to double it and we can get as 20 centimeter. For area, we have to multiply length and width and we can get as 21 squared centimeter. All things are difficult before they are easy. So we have to make them easy after practicing. Thank you all of you, my dear students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.